Alright, boys and girls, welcome to TYMA Guitar. We have Powfu here, not for the first time, absolutely not. We've been here before many times, and we have many followers who love Powfu. Now, let's check out She Wants. This is a song without any cape on. We're going to use 3 chords, and let's start with them. They're going to roll in the same way through the entire song. So, we're going to start with this F major 7 add 6, I believe is the technical name. So, what you're going to play here is 3rd fret D string, then 2nd G, then 3rd B, and open E. Alright. With that, you're going to go over to this grip here. I believe that will be a C add 9 with the E in the bass. So anyway, the grip will be open E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is the D7 sus2. That will be open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so that's the order of it. Now, let's go into the melody. And we're going to look into this F part first. So you're going to play 3rd fret D string together with 3rd B. Then I hit a short little clap there. Like, not too heavy like this. Maybe just a clap or just a touch or pause or anything. So, 3rd D plus 3rd B. Then open high E. Then repeat that again. So 3rd D plus 3rd B. Clap. And open high E. And 3rd time you're going to play again. 3rd D plus 3rd B. And a clap. And then comes this melody on the high E string. And you're going to play open, 3rd, 5th, back to 3rd, and open. Then you're going to go into this C-E chord, okay? So you're going to play okay, so you do that 2 times, this part. It's open, high E. Open E in the bass together with 3rd B. And the clap. And then open high E. You do that for 2 times. So open E in the bass together with 3rd B. Clap. Open high E. And 2 times. And then you're going to play the D7 finally. And that will be you're going to play there open D plus 1st B together. And the clap. And then comes the melody. Open B. 2nd G. Then open B again, 1st B, and finally open B. That's it. So that's the melody. I'm going to take you through this slowly. So let's go from the start and F. Alright, so that's the melody. You're going to run that through the entire song or switch it up with some strumming, and we're going to look into that now. So grab the full chords as they are, and you're going to play a string pattern that goes down, down, clap, down. Okay, so with that F chord, you're going to play for 1 round. Okay, so down, down, clap, down. Okay, I played 4 rounds for you, and that's exactly what you're going to do as well. 4 rounds of that F, and then 2 rounds of this C/E chord, and then 2 rounds of the D7. So together it just sounds like this. New round starts right there, and that's how you handle it, guys. She Wants by Powfu. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.